Ever wondered why your affiliate marketing campaigns aren't converting as well as you'd hoped? You're missing out on a secret strategy that top marketers use to boost their sales exponentially. And it all starts with retargeting ads. Stay tuned, because in the next few minutes, we're going to reveal insider tactics that can skyrocket your affiliate commissions. All right, so understanding how to segment your audience is absolutely crucial for running effective retargeting campaigns. Think of it as creating smaller, more focused groups based on how people interact with your website or ads. This allows you to tailor your messaging and offers to meet their specific needs, which dramatically increases your chances of conversion. First, let's talk about behavior-based segmentation. This involves tracking how users behave on your site. For instance, someone who visits your site regularly is different from someone who just stumbled upon it once. By identifying frequent visitors, you can create a segment of highly engaged users who might be interested in a special offer or early access to a new product. Second, there's interaction-based segmentation. This takes into account the specific actions users take on your site, such as clicking on certain pages, downloading resources, or adding products to their cart. Each of these actions provides valuable insights into what that user is interested in. If someone visits your pricing page multiple times but hasn't made a purchase, they might be on the fence and could be persuaded with a limited time discount. Now, why is all this segmentation so important? Simple. It lets you deliver hyper-relevant ads that speak directly to where a person is in their buying journey. Instead of sending the same generic ad to everyone, you can craft messages that resonate more deeply because they address the user's specific interests and behaviors. Imagine running a clothing store. One segment might be users who only buy during sales, while another segment prefers new arrivals. You wouldn't show the same ad for a clearance sale to both groups, right? The sales seekers get their discounted deals, and the fashion-forward crowd gets exclusive previews of new collections. So, think about your current audience. Are you targeting them effectively, or are you missing opportunities by using a one-size-fits-all approach? What types of behavior or interactions would be most valuable for you to segment in your next campaign? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Are you struggling to find the right niche, understand affiliate marketing, or simply drive traffic to your site? I'm here with Profit Pulse, your essential guide to overcoming the challenges of affiliate marketing. From choosing profitable niches that spark your passion to mastering SEO and creating high-quality content, Profit Pulse provides actionable insights and strategies tailored for both beginners and seasoned marketers. Stop feeling overwhelmed by technical skills or compliance issues. Navigate the complexities of affiliate marketing with our expert advice and start scaling your business effectively. Don't miss out on elevating your affiliate marketing game. Visit digmarketing101.com/newsletter. Subscribe to Profit Pulse today and turn those affiliate marketing challenges into achievements. Let's grow your business together. When it comes to creating effective ad creatives and compelling messages for your retargeted audience, the first thing you need to consider is the imagery and design. Your visuals should catch the eye. Immediately think bold colors, high-quality images, and clean, uncluttered design. Visual consistency with your brand is essential. This means using your brand's color palette, fonts, and logo consistently across all your ads. The familiarity will quickly let viewers know who the ad is from, even before they read a single word. Next up is the message itself. The key here is clarity and relevance. You want to speak directly to the needs and interests of your retargeted audience. For instance, if you're targeting users who abandon their shopping carts, your message could focus on reminding them of the items they left behind and maybe offer a small incentive to complete the purchase. Like, don't miss out, complete your purchase today and get 10% off. Your call to action CTA is another crucial element. Make it clear, direct, and compelling. Instead of just click here or learn more, try something more specific that aligns with your audience's intent, like get your discount or shop new arrivals now. The more specific you are, the more likely you are to compel action. Consistency is key. Reinforce your brand's messaging across all channels where your retargeted audience might encounter your ads, social media, email, or even your website. This ensures that whether they're browsing Facebook or checking their inbox, they're seeing a cohesive message that builds trust and recognition. Now, think about this. What kind of ad creatives do you find most engaging? And how can you incorporate those elements into your next campaign? When it comes to tracking the performance of your retargeting ads, one indispensable tool is Google Analytics. This tool allows you to dive deep into user behavior, providing insights on who is interacting with your ads and how they're engaging with your content. You can track metrics such as click-through rate, conversion rates, and time spent on your landing page. By understanding these patterns, you'll know exactly which ads are performing well and which ones need adjustment. Another effective technique is A/B testing, where you create two versions of an ad and test them against each other to see which one performs better. It's like having a mini competition to find out what resonates best with your audience. Change one element at a time, such as the headline, image, or call to action, and monitor the results. The winning version will give you a clearer idea of what works, helping you refine your strategy. Adjusting your ad spend based on performance metrics is also crucial. If an ad is performing well, it makes sense to allocate more budget to it. Conversely, if an ad isn't meeting expectations, you might want to reduce its budget or tweak its elements. Use metrics such as cost per click CPC and return on ad spend to make informed decisions about where to invest your money for maximum impact. Now, imagine the impact you could achieve by consistently optimizing your campaigns using these strategies. What changes do you think would make the biggest difference in your ad performance?